हाँ तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का ये जो वीडियो है बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का नेक्स्ट पार्ट है। लास्ट पार्ट में हमने टाइप्स ऑफ डायोड और हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर देखा था, जैसा सर्किट डायग्राम, वेव फॉर्म, उसका एप्लीकेशन वगैरह। अब इस वीडियो में हम आपको फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर बता रहे हैं। जैसा कि वीडियो में आपको नज़र आ रहा है, एक सर्किट डायग्राम हमने बताया है। सर्किट डायग्राम में सिंपल एक स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर है। ये ट्रांसफार्मर की खासियत है सेंटर टैप पर सेंटर ट्रांसफार्मर है। मतलब प्राइमरी में इसको जो वाइंडिंग है और सेकेंडरी की वाइंडिंग है उसमें 3 पॉइंट निकले हुए होते हैं। सेंटर टैप ट्रांसफार्मर रहने की वजह से इसको हम 2 डायोड कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। उस डायोड का हमने नाम दिया है D1 एंड D2 और दोनों डायोड का कैथोड कॉमन करके पॉजिटिव और सेंटर टैप का जो बीच का टर्मिनल है वहाँ से निगेटिव, इस तरह से आउटपुट हमको DC पल्सेटिंग वोल्टेज मिलता है, दैट इज़ V आउट। अब वर्किंग देखिए किस तरह से होता है। बेसिकली इट इज़ ए फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर, सो it will rectify complete positive and negative half cycle. That is why it is known as full wave rectifier. During positive half cycle of AC supply, the point A becomes positive with respect to point B. Therefore, VAO, the voltage, and VBO is the another half voltage. VAO become positive and VBO become negative. Therefore, the diode D1 will under forward bias, whereas diode D2 will under reverse bias. Hence, the diode D1 will conduct but D2 will not conduct. When diode D1 conduct, the current will flow like this from A terminal to D1 through load resistance RL, and it goes up to the O mark, that is negative. Simple. Hence, we are able to get the positive half cycle of AC supply in the output. That is why we have shown here D1 is on. We are able to get the positive half cycle. Similarly, in the next negative half cycle of AC supply, VAO become negative and VBO become positive. Therefore, now diode D2 become forward bias, whereas D1 become reverse bias. When D2 become forward bias, the current will flow like this from point B, D2, it will go again to positive point through load resistance RL and up to point O. Note that current is flowing in same direction during positive half cycle and during negative half cycle. Therefore, in spite of negative half cycle, the output voltage become positive. This is very important point. Hence, during negative half cycle, D2 become on and the output voltage across load is positive. Similarly, the process continues, and as shown in the waveform, during positive half cycle D1, during negative half cycle D2, again during positive half cycle D1 will conduct and the output voltage will be only positive pulsating DC. I hope the information is very much clear to you students. Now, here we have written some application names. Now the first application is radio eliminator, second one is power supply, third one is laboratory equipments, and so many domestic appliances where all electronic appliances are going to use this rectifier. I hope the information is very much useful for you, and we are thankful to watching all our videos, and we expect the same response in near future. So I request all the students to subscribe our channel and share this information with your all friends. Thank you.